Hello YouTube, in this video we are going to see how to change the Royal Enfield horn. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 horn can be found here. So this is the aftermarket horn I was talking about. The brand name is Hella, and it initially I used this horn in my Tata Tiago, and the horn suddenly stopped working after a year. So I visited the service center and I was told that there is some cutting to the existing wiring is required to make this horn work. Maybe because the relay is faulty um, and the shop where I purchased this horn, he is not willing to provide me the replacement for the relay. So I decided to replace the stock horn in my Tata Tiago, and this horn I just tried to use it on my Bullet 350. The horn was working fine. I will just show you quickly how it sounds. It's obviously better than the stock horn of Royal Enfield Bullet 350. But the reason why I am changing this horn is so whenever I give for the water wash, the water gets into this horn, and for some time there is no sound from the horn. Then we have to again remove the horn, and we have to take the water out of the horn, and that's a issue I faced. And I don't know how to mount this horn downwards because the wiring is not enough. It doesn't come. The terminals are at the top and the wiring doesn't come down. I am just going to replace this Hella aftermarket horn with my stock Royal Enfield horn. So I will just show you how to do that. Let us first turn off the bike. So the next step is you see these two wires, and we need to unplug these sockets, and if you have to press it here in this place and you have to pull out. Okay, I just pulled out the wires. Okay, the tools required to replace the horn are two spanners. The first spanner is number 10 spanner, and the second spanner is number 12 spanner. And this is the stock horn of Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Already a clamp, so we need to remove the existing clamp. Okay, take the number 10 spanner, and you have to loosen this bolt. Okay, okay. Make sure that horn is not falling down. I'm just holding the horn with my hand. Okay. Okay, the next step is take the number 12 spanner and remove this clamp. Okay. Okay, now put this bolt inside this one here. Okay, and ready to fit the stock horn now. Okay, the clamp is secure, and now next thing is, okay, this is already tightened, so let's ensure that that is also tight. For this also we need a number 12, I think. uh, okay, looks like it needs 13. Let's try 13. Yes, it's now tighter. Okay, just ensure that this is tighter so that you don't lose your horn on the way. Okay, the next step is to insert these wires into the socket. Okay, just ensure that it is tightly inserted. Now again turn on the bike and uh, just see how it sounds now. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now the horn is replaced. Let's start the bike and see.